Here's how to connect SaneBox to your Fastmail account and say goodbye to inbox clutter. To get started, go to SaneBox.com and right from the homepage, you can try it now for free. If you already have a SaneBox account, you can log in here or create a new account. Just type in your email address and click Create Account. Now, if you already have a Fastmail account, use your Fastmail email when creating your SaneBox account, and SaneBox will detect that you're using Fastmail and then just prompt you to log in. Then log in with your Fastmail account and it will automatically be connected to SaneBox. This process uses OAuth, which is secure and private. It allows SaneBox to filter your email, but doesn't share your Fastmail credentials with SaneBox. Once you log in, this is where you allow SaneBox to securely and privately access your email. Click Allow. Now you do need to be on a paid Fastmail plan in order to use the OAuth login like I'm showing here, but you can start paying for Fastmail for as little as $6 a month. I'll click Allow. Now we'll finish our SaneBox setup process. Choose your password and then click Create Account. You'll be asked some brief questions. Let SaneBox know the best way it can help, like if your inbox feels out of control or you're drowning in newsletters. Then you'll be able to enable specific features of SaneBox. SaneLater helps keep your inbox under control, which filters low priority messages in a SaneLater folder. I'm going to use SaneLater. You can choose whether you want it to clean up older email, and if SaneBox is unsure about a message, you can select whether you still want it to go to your SaneLater folder, which you have full access to, or to leave those messages in your inbox. I'm going to click Enable, and you can learn more about the additional SaneBox features in our other videos, but I'll choose Do It Later for some of these. Although I do love the snooze emails feature, so I'm going to enable those, save and continue. Sane Black Hole is pretty nice too, so I'll enable that. Automatically organize your newsletters. I'll choose Do It Later for reminders, and we're done. We've connected SaneBox to Fastmail, and our email inbox is going to start being cleaner with emails going to SaneLater, SaneNews, and other folders. Now, if I go back to my Fastmail account, you'll see new folders created by SaneBox. Here under my folders, you'll see Sane Black Hole, SaneLater, SaneNews, where newsletters go, and then folders specifically for snoozing. There's a plus icon at the beginning to make sure these folders are at the top of your folder list. These folders will also appear on your devices where you may have Fastmail set up via IMAP. That could be the Mail app on your mobile device or on your desktop like Mac Mail. Congratulations on getting control of your inbox. And if you want to learn how to use SaneBox to its full potential, check out the other videos to learn about SaneLater, Sane Black Hole, and more.